Did you know every 10 seconds a report of child abuse is made? That's about as long as it takes the average person to tie a tie. Hi, my name is Katie Durbin. I have started the company Paws for a Cause, which was started to raise money for children who have been abused, neglected, or abandoned. Paws for a Cause sells stuffed sock animals of different varieties, and for every sock animal sold to a happy child, $2 is donated to help fight child abuse. Paws for a Cause is part of the children's toy industry, which is currently a $26.5 billion market. The company mainly sells their products to parents of children in addition to teachers, businesses involving children, and children's hospitals. Paws for a Cause is an in-home shop that creates all orders by hand and sells directly to the customer for $6 an animal. $2 from every purchase is donated to the Child Help Network, and 95 cents is used for expenses. We believe the influence our product will have on both the children who receive their sock animal and the children who we support by sharing our proceeds will have a positive impact on our target market's view of our mission. I would love to talk with you more about how we can work together to help fight the issue of child abuse through bringing joy to children.